brand new elevator. Machine room. Series 4. Huh, I thought that would be blue. This is the elevator here at the Sutter General Hospital, Crossbridge, Sacramento, California. Oh, we love a cheap OTIS. Let's see if this is hydro or traction. Traction. Two or one?
Two.
Yep. You guys have a good day. Overhead traction MRL. This thing is man, I just can't get over how cheap these are made now these days. And it's weird seeing red buttons on a newer install like this. Usually it's blue or that vanity all white button. We're riding a tin can. Man. Quality ain't the same these days with OTIS. That'll be it.